This homemade device can literally save your life. I will show you how in a second, but first let me show you how it works. This is a pressure switch hooked up to a battery operated device that simply blinks an LED. I connected a buzzer to LED to get an audible notification when the LED blinks. Buzzer plays a crucial role in this application. Instead of turning the blinker on with a pre-existing slide switch, I soldered these two wires to the slide switch and connected them to the pressure switch connections, common and normally closed. That means that LED and buzzer will be beeping and buzzing until vacuum is applied to the pressure switch. For that, I need to connect this tube to the pressure switch, and then I connect the other end of the tube to this PVC pipe that came out of my basement concrete floor. This is the pipe that sucks out radon gas from underneath my house. I installed the radon mitigation fan to this PVC pipe on my attic. That fan creates a suction, and this little device acts as a radon system alarm. It will notify me when the fan stops working and there will be no more vacuum in the PVC pipe. This is important because if the fan stops working and I don't know about it, my family will be exposed to abnormal level of radon gas. If you are wondering at this point why I had to make it myself, here are a few reasons. First of all, I couldn't find one that runs on battery without external power source. Second reason is that such an alarm that runs on external power source costs over $80. I will put a link in the description in case you're interested. But this little guy cost me about $3. Check out the link to this pressure switch on aliexpress.com in the description below. And third, and the biggest reason, is that I love to make cool things by myself, and you can see it in my other videos, and many more videos are coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of them. And if you like this little project, hit the like button. Thanks for checking out this video and have a wonderful rest of the day.